Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2013 Subaru BRZ, stock number 6717. This ran from the 7th, 2012 to the 9th, 2016. It has an F820 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. This is the F820 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left-hand headlight. Left front 17-inch factory only mega tyre. Left-hand door mirror. Front bonnet. Left rear 17-inch factory only mega tyre. Left-hand taillight. Right-hand taillight. Right rear 17-inch factory only mega tyre. Right-hand door no dents. Right-hand door mirror. Right front guard. Right-hand headlight. Right front 17-inch factory only mega tyre. Right front door guard. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Manual gear shifter. Heated AC controls. Factory touchscreen satnav stereo. Interior mirror. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Instrument cluster.